Hi, fellow candle makers. So are you still worried about wasting time or wasting wax in your candle making process? Today we bring something new, the ToAuto 4-liter 8 pounds wax melter. Let's see what kind of positive change it could bring to your candle making process. So today we are going to have a very specific review of it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, see what's inside. Okay, this is the curtain to protect products. This is the lid with this sponge here. Okay, this is spout and with a pair of gloves here. A pair of gloves here. Okay, this is a wrench for you so that you could install this spout here. This is to back up. Here, this is the menu. So next, we're going to put this pair of gloves on. Because not only we're going to install the spout. So the machine and the spout can use separately. And then we can see this is a backup pad. Already have one here, so this is just for backup. We don't have to have this here, so we put that aside. And then we're going to have installed this spout on to the machine. It is very easy. So first of all, you just have to screw this to the very right side, and then we have this. We screw this inside. We need to keep this spout vertical to the ground, so we have to keep it vertical to the ground, and then we screw this back. Use this wrench to tighten it. Okay. Now this is done. The spout is on. Okay, this 4-liter 8 pounds wax melter is very special, both in shape and its color. So it's square, and the color is green. So it's full of life. It matches your studio so well. Here, this is the lid, and it is transparent. You can see directly into the wax melter, and that you can see the status of your molten wax. Okay. So how big is this wax melter? Let's check it out. I have the ruler ready here, so okay, so let's check out it's 25 centimeters, and then its length it's here, it's 17 centimeter, and then the head here is around 20 centimeter. We have the wall here, so usually the wall is around, okay, it's around 2 centimeter for the wall. As you can see, the inside, the knife here, it's stainless, so it is very easy to clean. And then at this part, this is the bottom drainage system. That means you can always have the last drop of the wax here. Okay, from the ground to the tip of the spout, it is around 4 centimeter high. Okay, need a bit to know. We can have some holder to hold it, or block, some blocks, or even a holder like this, so that you can fulfill your other lids to use a pitcher or to have a container, this wax melter.